Hey YouTube, Panther Pyro here. Just is the last and final stash. I got everything together. So there's the last update that I had, the box. Then in this one we got the Talon igniters, some, thunder bombs, just smaller stuff. Got another brick of thunder bombs. There's my firing system. So everything's got to be put together. So we got a wickedly awesome bold colors by brothers, the bomb 9 shots, wolf pack, mine to willow spectacular, notorious, deja vu, colored tropia, molten core, cosmic carnival, palm pyro, highfalutin, wicked willows, another cosmic carnival, aerial avalanche. Got these military candles. They're pretty big. Hootenanny, 2 lucky leprechauns. Got a cosmic eruption, the red flash reactor. 2 July 4th jubilations. 2 pair of prattles with I think 7 shells with the dream team. Crown brocade on X9, really excited about that. Got the Fandemonium 205 shot fan cake. These were given to us to Liberty Golden Willow, Manhattan Crown Brocade, and Empire Gold Willow Barrage. Got a Fortress of Fire, God of Fire, Amped, Sons of Liberty, Pyrotechnic Motherlode, Wind Up, Sunshine State, Pounding Barrage, Phenomena, Polar Vortex, Essence of Fire. I got 2 wacky tobackies, gonna use those at the end. Got a Schizo by Brothers, New York Salute Finale, Sexy Rider by World Class, Urban Warrior, Voodoo Devils, Tropic Thunder, and another Wolfpack Mind to Willow. So I know it's Phantom, had a gift card. Probably will do wholesale next year and getting stuff, but this is the stash. We're gonna put it together and then I'll do a setup. Thanks guys, enjoy the 4th.